What's up, guys? Jahoot here, and this is a bit of anything where I do a bit of everything. Whether it's something I'm passionate about, something suggested from one of my supporters, or something I find amusing at the moment. And at the moment, there's a lot of construction going on in this building. So yeah, I gotta yell for this episode. You know what? I'm not gonna yell at this episode. Just give me 1 second. Hold on. Alright, bag it up. Bag it up. Bag it up, bag it up. Alright, right there. Alright, people, let's go over the plan one more time. You see, we're gonna shut down 270 right here, then we're gonna turn 170 into a one-way lane, converting everybody to take a detour down Lindbergh. Now, the only way we can complete this 9-year infrastructure is with another review on a lifelike train set. Build America Railway. Yeah, so grab your hard hats and let's talk about it. Look, listen, I know I had my differences with Lifelike, but they suck. Use car lots. Lifelike, what is this? Like, how dare y'all call yourself Lifelike and then half-ass it like that? Like, I get what y'all trying to do. Like, let's look at this, look at this, look at that. Do y'all see that? These are paper. But this is one of their benches sets. You know when I was saying like how it included with a grass matting and stuff? Well, you know, I can almost turn a cheek on this. Now, the train is still sucky, but the accessories, like I said, where they lacked in quality, they made up for it in accessories. But whoever owned this before me, they decided to leave all the accessories still sealed up, but keep the tracks and the train and replace the water tower with a signal tower. Because I didn't have a train with this set like I was thinking I would, I'm going to take my anger out on the loser of last week's video. Come here. Now, to compensate for this loss that I had, I did invest in another lifelike train, but this time, the Proto Series 1000 be Lifelike's upscale models, the upmarket, you would say. Now, Lifelike discontinued their trains in 2016, but they were bought out by Walters in 2007. They discontinued the train sets in 2016, but they still sell the accessories to this day. If you ever buy a Walters train, more likely it is a Lifelike Proto Series. There you have it. We have a quality train and a quality accessory set. Let's see what world builder will be created. Now you may be wondering what's inside this beautiful box. Well, I can tell you right now, the train's not. But let's just go ahead and take a look-see, shall we? All right, starting off, we got the little weak crossing gate, but I got something better to go with this. Some trees. The replacement signal tower instead of the storage tower that was included. The general store, or grocery store, or liquor store. I might make it a liquor store. The selling point for me, the construction site. And the crazy thing is, the construction site is on the back of the manual. So if I would have never had this manual, I would have never known how to build this construction site. Straight crazy. A mat sheet to make the tunnel. Like, I can tell you right now that this is definitely a no-no. Like, I don't understand how I'm supposed to do it. I'm guessing like I'm supposed to wet it up and like kind of just ball it up and make it a big ass ball. And that's just a hunk of mess. No, we can do better, and I will. Some telephone poles. I'm assuming this is the turf because they didn't label it. So I'm just gonna have to pour it out and see what happens. More traffic signals and railroad signs and whatnot. The mat. Now don't get me wrong, I see why now. that they discontinue selling these masks, because these things are definitely a mess, as you see, like leaving little sprinkles everywhere. And then you have to use a staple gun to actually like lay this down, because this is not gonna stay. It's just gonna roll right back up, and no. Rail joiners with no tracks, more couplers with no train. Let's take an actual look at that manual. Now let's talk about the selling point, the construction site. It's all involved. Like, I am truly shocked. All right, let's see. We got somebody on a forklift. I like that. Yup. We got our little fence to block off traffic. No entry. No pass, no entry. This is a gated community. Please stay off the property. Yep, we got a little fence. Now here go a wheelbarrow. I don't understand why I gotta put it together. I don't understand at all. Where is the wheel at? Here go the barrel. Like, this is so stupid. Like, why would y'all do this? All right. We got the crane. Is it functional? The support beams. Look like they all just connect, but I'm gonna glue them just in case. It's actually smaller than I thought. Like, well, unless it come with more. I mean, here goes some more. The construction building site. Well, not the building, but like the construction office. The construction office. Some deca, the parts to the rest of the crane, those little tractors. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to paint these, because that's disgusting. Got a couple of people painted, fully painted, so I ain't gotta worry about that. But they ain't got no hard hats, so I'm a little skeptical about how they operating out here. Some turf. I don't understand what this turf's supposed to be. It don't look like it tells me necessarily, but yeah. And more of the fence. Now let's talk about the showstopper right here. Now the downfall about this is they made up for it in quality, but they don't have no accessories. Ugh, man. But just looking at this thing is honestly like a massive step up. Just even the packing, just watch this. Like, come on now. This thing has a coat. Wow. Styrofoam. Wow. Fresh out the box. Freight cars, got metal wheels. Not die cast, still plastic, but wheels are massive. We got this beautiful, sexy red caboose. Just look at this thing. Like, the locomotive itself is just such a massive improvement to what they already was selling. Like I told you, they already knew that they were a down market. So for them to come out with the Proto 1000 and 2000s, this is a massive, massive, massive improvement. Like, I'm truly baffled that this is a lifelike train. Like, it's straight die cast. This is literally die cast. It actually has some weight. Nice chassis. Like, can't you believe that? Lifelike. Like, and then it's a RS2 at that. Like, these are not the typical trains you will find in a set. So for them to honor a train set dedicated to this diesel, it's worth it. It's really worth it. Like, these diesels remind me of like Salty or Derek from Thomas and Friends. You know, the one diesel that had teething problems.
A diesel with a toothache must be the worst diesel of all.
Then they got this big hunky-dory controller back here. Close enough. Wow. Look at that. Ain't she beautiful? A man's work is never done. But now, it's time for a train fight! Peculiar. Mr. Oliver! Mr. Oliver! What's going on, Toad? Wasn't the super chief supposed to come by? Yeah, it just did, didn't it? No. It was a freight train. A freight train? How? I don't know, but a train that was freight just drove past. That is odd. Nothing on the panel shows that a train was on a different line, and you seem to see a freight train. It kind of looked like the Proto. The Proto? Oh no. That's not no possible way that's... Reporting all dispatch. Reporting all dispatch. Halt trains. Halt trains. We have a T301. T301? Oh dear.
Commissioner, I swear it every time I turn my back, that's when you show up. Ted Dymer has been remote controlling trains and sending them off the lines purposely, but intel says this next set has a bomb.
I did talk to the fat controller of this railway. He might have some information that can help with this case. Hello, Mr. Ed. Thank you for joining me. Oh, much to my pleasure, Commissioner. I'm sure you're aware about all these trains that's been causing a lot of damages lately. I assure you, Commissioner, I have no clue who's been playing hide and seek on my railway. All my engines are accounted for, and now this ain't doing nothing but causing confusion and delay. Are you familiar with the name Jeffrey Bundy? Jeffrey Bundy. Ah, yes. He used to be one of my lead engineers to the Proto project, until I had to shut down when I realized they were making nuclear locomotives. Nuclear? Yes, sir. All I wanted to do was make my engines more fuel efficient and have enough horsepower you could play polo inside the cab. But instead, they wanted to do things different and make nukes, taking away the value of a locomotive. Well, you were right to fire him because his real name is Ted Dymer, also known as the Mad Bomber. Like Sam Hill, the Mad Bomber? Well, I guess now that makes sense, don't it? The son of a bitch wants revenge. Well, I'll be calling the general to monitor these rails. Commissioner, I can give you all the data I have towards Jeffrey or Ted or whatever the hell he wants to call himself, even leading up to the Proto project. Apparently, Project Proto was to convert all old locomotives with new engines. It seems Ted took advantage of that. You know, Batman... Fuck. You would think you'll be used to that by now.
Ketika kau merasa Hey, yo, Wally, what the fuck going on? Is it the twins fucking up again, or Gordon stalling on the hill? What's up?
Oh no, it's something far worse than that, my friend. You see, it's the Super Chief.
The Super Chief? Wait, he been talking shit again? He want another round or something? I already made him hopscotch last time.
Don't be ignorant, Tommy.
Nah, it was ignorance buying jeans off Temu.
Tommy.
It was ignorance asking for a water bottle and then don't finish the water bottle.
The Super Chief is totaled, with 15 dead.
Oh, shit. What happened?
Unfortunately, it was attacked. Toad seen the engine and claimed it could have possibly been the road switcher.
Why you just say the name all dramatic like that, like he won't get his ass beat? We'll slide on Cub right now. Where he at?
Nobody knows exactly where it's at. It must have some type of signal jammer on it because we can't detect it on the radars. And it's been hacking all the traffic signals.
Bro hacking signals? Who the fuck did y'all piss off? I'm finna go check on the Super Chief.
Oh shit, what the fuck?
Oh no, we gotta find this bastard. ASAP, no Rocky.
Don't get me wrong, we had our differences or whatever, but bro ain't had to go out like that. I mean, like, I wouldn't even wish that on none of my enemies. I ain't even gonna mess with Daisy now. Who is this?
Well, I think we found the bastard.
This will be your only warning. Remove yourself from that engine or die on it. Yo, who the fuck you think you threatening? I'm a man of many names, but you can call me the Mad Bomber. Black Mamba? The Mad Bomber. What you say about my mama? Ignorance is bliss, which I don't have time for. You must be the new guy. No, it was ignorance holding the door for somebody and they don't say thank you.
Oh, that really grinds my gears. But no more distractions. I have a railway to destroy.
Ah, bro, really trying to slide. Alright, let's get it, General.
Yo, what's your beef? You gotta stop this madness, bro.
Hear me clearly. I'm the Mad Bomber.
All aboard. Batman. It's always Batman. You need to see my ticket. Here.
Hell yeah. Now what you gonna do? Batman has stole your bomb.
Little do you know, this train is the bomb.
No, 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 no.
Look like your engine got a toothache.
Supercharge!
enjoyed that short film, please check out my other train fight videos or other videos that I have on the channel. Anyway, I'm Jahoot. This is a bit of anything. If you like what you seen, like and subscribe. I'm out.